when is Hawa's birthday?
Oh yeah, that's one. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to lose this one. Look at that face! I know for sure. It's the 28th of September.
28?
28th! Look at my face, I can't even open my
Salam everybody, hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, this lady right here, he's so happy today. Yes, I get 3K. Oh my goodness, thank you guys so much. Thanks to my brother Asad. I really appreciate the opportunity, you know, like I'm beyond happy, you know. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to a friend's house to record a video. Stay tuned, it's gonna be so funny.
A few moments later.
Hello beautiful people, salam everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hawaberite. I hope everyone is doing fine. So today I'm back with a new video with a new guest of mine, a special guest, my friend Amina. So yeah, a very funny video for you today, which is smash or smash. Okay, so guys, we will be asking, there is someone here, one of our friends, who will be asking us questions. Like, she will ask questions based on Amina. So if I get it wrong, she will smash me with the powder. If she gets wrong, she will get it smash.
No.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Amina's birth country.
She was born in Cameroon.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Baby, I know this girl.
Good.
So yeah. Hawa's most embarrassing moment?
Okay, so I think that was when she was traveling from Guinea to Malaysia, and she wore a very tight suit, jumpsuit, right? Jumpsuit, and it was so tight that when she tried to bend down, it directly tore. So I don't know what happened and how she managed, but I think you were so shy that day. I think
I was like not shy because I didn't know what was going on basically. But you know, the issue is that when I arrived, that's the time I realized my dress
when you
was,
arrived,
at home. Because the whole tribe, like, I didn't know, you know. So that was pretty embarrassing. I'm gonna link that video below so you guys can go and watch it if you are, you know, interested to watch it. So yeah.
Amina's favorite color?
Her favorite color? She's gonna smash me, yo.
Yes.
I think it's pink.
Not exactly pink.
I have a second chance. Okay.
Okay, I give you a second chance.
This fool right here.
No cheating, no cheating allowed.
Okay, white?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah!
Yeah, she was lucky. She was lucky, definitely.
Okay, next question.
Hawa's favorite song?
My favorite song.
Her favorite song, I know Hawa, and I know she doesn't like music, to listen to music at all. So she just likes listening to music from time to time, you know, any kind of music.
Yeah, that's true.
Not a very fun.
Give me a question. I want to smash this girl right now. You know, give me a good question.
That's not going to happen, dear.
Let's go.
Amina will rather spend or save money?
Ooh, come on, man. This girl, she's so stingy.
Oh my God! How dare you?
She would rather, you know, save her money, bro. This girl, no, like, she's not down. When it comes to spending, it's no, zero.
That's me. Yeah, that's true. That's me.
Hawa's favorite country to live?
Hawa's favorite country to live, I guess, is where her husband is.
No,
No matter what.
no, listen. My favorite country and my favorite place to be right now is different.
Your favorite country? I think it's Canada.
Canada? Bruh.
Oh.
Damn, it's true.
Yeah. I think it's Canada. I'm pretty sure about it.
I love Canada.
So
So
because
next
we-
question.
When did Hawa get married?
Oh, I know it.
Okay.
Definitely it was, I think, November of
November,
2018,
I
yeah.
will definitely smash her. because
November, pretty sure about it.
It
Yeah.
was December.
Oh!
Where?
I think here.
Oh God, remove your hand.
Oh my God, she did it!
My
She
first
did.
smash.
Oh my
Your
God,
turn.
wait for your turn. I will take my revenge.
No. Next question.
Oh my God, look at my pretty
Okay.
face.
Let's go. This
Ami
is
is-
fun.
Ami is more afraid of spiders or snakes?
Hey, come on, wait. Look, she's already putting the powder. Let's. Oh my goodness, look. This is so much.
I can't wait. I think this one has to lay on your face. Because, look, did you see what she did?
You're crazy. I think it's. I'm scared already.
I'm still waiting. 5 seconds left.
Spider.
I'm sorry.
Let me
Yes. We are even now.
Oh my goodness.
I feel relieved.
You're so bad. Look. Okay. I'm gonna smash her too. It's okay. Let's go.
Okay, next question.
Well,
Hawa's favorite movies?
my favorite movie?
Her favorite movie, I think it's Black Panther.
That's a big lie.
Oh my God!
That's
I
a
was
big
pretty
lie.
sure about it.
That's a big lie.
Oh my
bro.
God! Please don't do it.
That's a big lie. Look. Where? That's a big lie.
Okay.
Like, I love comedy movie. Like anything related to comedy, it doesn't matter what kind of movie, but if like there is comedy inside, I'm down for it. That's me. So yeah, let's go.
Okay, next one. Amina still watch kids movie like cartoon? If yes, which one is her favorite?
Do you guys know Sarah? It's a cartoon movie. This girl here, until now, she still watch that cartoon movie.
Let me correct you. It's not Sarah. It's Princess Sarah. So this is not the
It's-
accurate
no,
answer.
it's the same.
No, Sarah is
It's
not
cartoon
Princess
Sarah.
Sarah.
Okay, Princess Sarah.
Okay, I
Like
get
we will pass that. You don't have to smash me for that. Let's go.
When is Hawa's birthday?
Oh yeah, that's one. I'm pretty sure
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to lose this one.
Look at that face.
I know for sure. It's the 28th of September.
28.
28th.
You can smash your
24, 24. Please, I'm asking for mercy, please.
Alas, I'm smashing you.
Look at my face. I can't even open. I'm going to.
My birthday is on 24th September. Baby.
24 September. Yeah, that's true. Really, I don't know what's going on in my head.
My friend doesn't know me, y'all. Let's go.
Okay, next
I'm liking
question.
this.
What's Amina most embarrassing moment?
Damn, I don't know that. I don't know that. I don't know that.
What?
Wait, let me think first. Okay. Your most embarrassing moment. I don't know you.
Okay. Bismillah.
Okay, next question.
How many brothers does Hawa has?
Yes, I think she has 3 brothers.
I know she knows that.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Does Amina prefer casual clothes or dressing up?
I think this girl should dress. She wants everything. Like, I don't know. Casual?
Oh no, I'm sorry, my dear. I always like to be like on my Sunday dress, on my best Sunday.
Okay. Oh.
Oh my God, you look so beautiful, isn't she?
I'm gonna beat her.
You look like twins now.
My eyes. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, so next. I think only 2 questions left now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the last 2 questions.
Hawa's parent names?
My parent name.
Of course, her dad's name is Mr. Berete.
Full name.
Okay, I will pass that. And mom's name is Dear Hawa Sumaoro.
Okay. Then my dad name?
Mr. Berete.
No, full name.
Mr.
You get
Berete Mohamed
Nah.
Alassane.
It's
Ismail
nah.
Abubakar.
خلاص. يلا. خلاص. I'm gonna smash her.
Yara?
No, I don't know.
I love you. I hate you.
I know you love me.
Okay, next
Yeah.
question.
The last question,
The
right?
last
for me.
one, yeah.
Okay.
Amina's favorite animal?
Her favorite animal? She's a cat person.
Yeah, but I think.
But why? She just wanna smash me.
No, I definitely don't think this is the right answer.
She
think-
loves cat.
I don't love cats.
Okay, you love what?
I love dogs.
Is that true?
Yeah.
That's a big lie. I mean, are you lying?
I like dogs.
Say wallah.
She wanted to smash me!
She touched me.
She wanted to smash
She's
me!
lucky I am a fervent Muslim. If not,
Okay,
I cannot get away with this one. This one.
You see, she wanted to lie. She wanted to lie. Crazy lady. Okay guys, I think that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see this beautiful face again, let me know in the comments and give me some videos idea. Inshallah, we're gonna record a video for you guys. And thank you so much, brother Asad. Thank you for helping your sister. I really appreciate it. Bye.
Bye.